Did you know that you can lose weight without changing your eating habits or exercising? It's true. And the secret is passion fruit flour. This amazing flour is made from the peel of the passion fruit and can be easily made at home or purchased at natural product stores and supermarkets. A study has shown that it is possible to lose weight with this flour without changing eating habits or exercising. Did you know that? This is the case with passion fruit flour, which is obtained from the fruit peel and can be made at home or purchased at natural product stores and supermarkets. Passion fruit flour is rich in a fiber that forms a type of gel in the stomach, increasing the digestion time of food and prolonging satiety throughout the day, aiding in weight loss. In addition, being rich in fiber, passion fruit flour has several health benefits. It helps with weight loss, prevents diabetes, controls cholesterol and triglycerides, and maintains intestinal health. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Now see how easy it is to make passion fruit flour at home. You will need 10 passion fruits. Wash the passion fruits well and soak them for 20 minutes in a mixture of water and bleach or sodium hypochlorite. Cut them in half, remove the pulp, and save it to make juice. Cut the peel into strips, put them in a baking sheet, and bake in a medium oven for about 30 minutes or until they are dry. Let them cool. Blend it in a blender or process until you obtain a flour. Now sift it and store it in a clean covered container. This recipe yields approximately 150 grams. You can get all the benefits of this flour by consuming a full tablespoon 3 times a day, which equals 30 grams of passion fruit fiber per day. You can add this flour to soups, juices, milk, smoothies, for example. If you made it this far and liked learning how to make passion fruit flour, write passion fruit in the comments.